In this video, we're going to look at the operations menu of the Dusk IOP. The full menu can be expanded and collapsed by pressing this hamburger menu in the top left. Moving from the left to the right, we've got the job menu. We've got the ability to review a resource, including enabling and disabling them, and also reviewing the full details with the right role permissions. The same goes for crews. Crews can be easily amended in here as needed, including skills, additional resources, etc. Moving across here, we have the number of records to show, we have the date period over which to show it, we have simple calendar pickers here as well. On the right hand side, we have a reload button, we have free text search for fields in there as well. We have some predefined filters where you're able to quickly and easily identify resources, clients, work in any particular suburb that you've got jobs in, the priority, stages, and also any types, which is based on your job type in the configuration. Finally, over here on the right, there's a series of toggle buttons with numbers at the top. These numbers represent the number of jobs in that particular stage. In this case, we've got overdue jobs of 13. So by clicking that button, it shows us which of those jobs that we need to make that are overdue. Navigating through the screen here, we can see that there's a series of different icons and colours. These are designed to quickly and easily identify jobs of different status. Moving down here, we can see that there's the icon here, which is a receipt, and by clicking that, it will show us the forms for that particular job that's been completed. Moving down here, we can see a camera. So this tells us there's a job that's been completed, and in there are 2 photos. So by scrolling down the list here, we can see the photos that have been sent back within that form. Across the top here, we can filter by any of these columns. By default, start date is filtered, but any of these can have the filter applied to them. Finally, across the top here, we've got the different menus, which include baskets, which is a different type of large volume job dispatch, with a traditional Gantt view with unassigned jobs on the left, the calendar view with unassigned jobs again, and also the ability to quickly and easily reassign work as needed. We've got a map view of all work, including the ability to drill into particular resources and see what their workloads look like. Utilisation page, so we can see who's working and who has capacity. By simply clicking on it, we're able to see down the bottom what they've got. Tasks can be easily added and removed, and the same with job readiness. Down the left menu here, we have quotes and invoices. We have clients configured. We have daily logs for all resources that are coming in from the field. Locations if they're set up, materials, assets, stores, equipment, and reviews. That's an overview of the operations menu in the Dusk IOP.